Today we're looking at the new electric scooter. This is Ausom Leopard, single rear hub motor electric scooter that looks quite interesting. Let's unbox it and take a closer look. Perfectly packed. I like the protective tape all around the box, dual box, nice branding and scooter graphics. Looks very promising so far. And here's the inside. Too much styrofoam, but well covered. This is pretty good. We have here the manual. Wow, this is very nice seat adapter or seat post or how you call it. This is really cool. Little pump, tool. I believe this should be the charger here. So we'll open a second and see the voltage. The scooter feels very light for its size, delivered fully assembled and only needs to connect the handlebars, and this styrofoam needs to be cleaned out and you're pretty much all set and ready to go. This electric scooter weighs 69 pounds, maximum load capacity 265 pounds, waterproof level IP54. From far away you would say it's a Road Runner replica, but once you get closer you'll see that this frame is constructed completely different with its own character and way different details. The front swing arm has a different design, it looks like a steel. I like these cutouts and how compact it's constructed, keeping it strong but light, housing the front shock. Slim body frame with these two metal plates connecting from the stem block to the frame and this cool rear foot extension. I like how it has a different design and these cutouts with about 3mm rubber that improve the grip and looks really cool. The rear swing arm has the same vibe as the front construction. Slim, light frame, the rubber top, very grippy, and the design is so cool, looks great and feels high quality rubber. Looks different than other scooters I tested so far. Specs: we have 1000 watts rear hub motor, a 48 volt system, a 20.8 amp hour battery capacity, advertised 52 miles in range and maximum speed of 34 miles an hour, which we'll put to the test and see how this scooter performs. Top speed. Acceleration is punchy on a full battery, but once you reach 18 miles an hour, the acceleration slows down and smoothly progresses to 24 miles an hour, and from there very slowly crawls higher to the maximum speed of 28 miles an hour. If you're riding on the flats, the scooter will be much faster and reach maximum 28 miles an hour top speed much quicker in my case. On incline, with my weight of 230 pounds, it will slow down considerably and reach maximum 24 miles an hour. On a slight decline, I was able to reach 32 miles an hour top speed. To get the best and close to advertised performance, the rider should be between 100 to 175 pounds, which is the size and weight of an average rider in the US. Range test. I weighed 230 pounds, the test was done at maximum speed. It was colder, about 60 degrees on Fahrenheit. A lot of braking at lights in the city, but I was able to squeeze 21.3 miles in range from this 20.8 amp hour battery. It feels like this system was set up for range. The 1000 watt motor should give you much fast acceleration and way less range, but here it's set up mildly so you get a smooth ride and extended range, keeping the scooter relatively light and compact. For riders in the 175 pounds limit, this model will offer much punchier acceleration, easier and faster to get to the top speed and way longer range ride. Very clean handlebars, and I like that they have the same as the previous scooter we tested, as one piece, all the the buttons on the console. We have the lights here on off, we have turning signals, which is cool, and this price range, and the loud horn. Now the grips are comfortable, but they're moving a little bit, so having that hardware here to secure it will be really helpful. Regular standard mechanical disc brake levers. We have this upgraded screen, very nicely done here, easy to read. This button right here on the bottom, you press one time, goes to second speed, and third time third speed. And here we have the throttle on the right hand side, standard regular throttle that you see on other scooters. The handlebar is pretty organized and clean. You have this yellow hook, and I like this two-tone black and yellow. You have the stem, you have the transition here to the body of the frame to the deck, which I'll show in a second. It's pretty cool. And you have the suspension. Now suspension, it's really comfortable, doesn't make noise. It doesn't have that knob to adjust it, but you can get the wrench and twist this ring and compress it more or release it. Stock the way it is, it's pretty comfortable with my weight. I actually like it, doesn't make any noise. It's really cool. And I like this light here in the back, I'll show you in a second. So when you press the brake, It's pretty bright, and I like how it's integrated. And here, this footrest, it looks like steel, but it has this, you can see here closer, I will try to show you, has this rubber gasket type of thing over. Very nicely done, very comfortable. I wish we had this on other scooters. On the LS7 I just tested, I wish we have this type of rubber on top. It's really comfortable. I like the design, how they did this, all the cutouts, also in the arms, also in the front. And here, look at this frame here. So it's a big aluminum block here, and everything bolts in. Very nicely done, and it's different than other scooters. I like this. The charging port, spring-loaded, nicely covered, very well waterproofed. So this is different, but the body, the rest, look at this line. It's really cool. The lights are different, but very similar to RS5. Cable management, really nicely done. And this kickstand that's spring-loaded. And I like the sides. You have this fence, cooling fence here in the front. Look how nicely it connects here to the frame. This rubber, it's so cool. I wish we had this on LS7 and other scooters. Really grippy. I like the design, and the yellow, touches really go well with this theme. The same folding mechanism you see on the scooters. Nothing new here. The cables nicely wrap going inside, and here we have adjustability, 3 positions, so you can lower down. And I think this is the highest level here. Cable management, it's not really bad, it's pretty okay. I would just put that wrapping thing around, like here, and just put it all around here and nicely covered, so it looks nice. And again, this cables with these connectors, be nice to just have one on the bottom and just feed the wires and make it nice and organized. Lights on, turning signals, you have notification there, both sides. And when you press brake, you have brake there, and you also have brake in the back. We have aluminum front rim, 10 by 3.15 inches off-road pneumatic tire. I like the frame, so much details here, well chosen colors, and beautiful rubber deck cover. Very grippy, well balanced and comfortable scooter. I did over 70 miles in 1 week and nothing came loose. Performance is good for my weight, easy to move around, just a good looking scooter. Lights. Very bright lights, look at this. Wide spill, long throw, very powerful. And the back, also very bright. We have rear brake light, very visible. And also look at the side lights. Also turning signals, and not just on the side, you also have in the front. And the side lights are so bright, you can see almost 180 degrees around the scooter on each side. And also you have notification on the screen, which is very helpful. Very good lights on this model. Hill climbing. On flats, it picks up speed really nicely, but once you reach the base of the hill, the speed gradually slows down and the scooter gives up acceleration, and the speed tumbles down from 22 miles an hour to 16 miles an hour. I am too heavy, and it is expected to get these results, but still the scooter manages to reach the top of the hill and gradually picks up speed from there. Deck size, 7.5 inches width, length 22 inches, footrest about 6 inches. From the deck to the stem it is 39 inches, to the handlebars it is 41 inches. Handlebar width 23 inches. Overall, I like the design, so many details, well executed, good quality parts, and it is a very nicely done scooter. Now for my weight, I'll need more power, and that power is available, but once you unlock it, I will not get much range. Here on this model, there's a good balance set up between the range and the power delivery that I would ride. But I think this model will be perfect for riders between 100 to 175 pounds. The link will be down below in the description box. There will be a discount code, check it out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.